Hello, this is Jim. Thank you for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. Why would anybody want to move out into the middle of nowhere? That's the question. You've got no traffic, got no pollution, you don't have sirens, police cars, fire trucks, ambulances. Why would anybody want this lifestyle? Well, I'll tell you. There's nothing better than waking up in the morning, and right now it's 5:30 a.m., waking up in the morning to peace and quiet and just having God's nature all surrounding you. It's just an awesome experience. I come out here every day, out to the end of this boardwalk. I sit on the bench and I just enjoy the peace and quiet and the surroundings of nature all around me. I've got lots of projects to do, got lots of renovations to do, but I can always find time just to sit and relax and just contemplate and plan ahead. Every day seems to be, there's always something to do. But, sometimes you need to just sit and relax and just enjoy the peace and quiet and know that if you're in the city, you've got all that traffic, pollution, and all that noise all around you. I just absolutely love the nature and the peace and the quiet. Follow my channel and I'll show you more videos.